Small businesses skip video entirely, not because they don't want it, but because a proper production means a writer, a designer, a shoot, an editor before a single ad goes live. Buzzy Canvas compresses a whole chain into one workspace, and I am going to build a finished grain video in front of you to show you what that actually looks like. Let's jump in. Right, so you want to make that awesome video, and I know you do, but you're thinking, how the heck am I going to do it? I don't have a fancy camera or webcam. I don't even want to be on camera. I got you. So the old way costs. You got to hire somebody. You got to shoot a video yourself. This is where Buzzy comes in. So this makes it really easy. So here we are at Buzzy now, and I'm going to go ahead and log in so you can check it out. And you're going to see how you can create awesome videos simply by clicking a few buttons and doing a few things. So the 4 stages, we're going to script it out. So we got our prompt here. We got the character, the scene. We're going to throw some storyboards and get you the video. So you don't have to shoot videos anymore. And these look professional. These are not videos that you just crank out. So here we can see the different types, the storytelling, the marketing. You can see branding assets. You can choose something that, is business friendly if you're looking for that. So we're going to pick something business friendly here. Or we're going to do creative skill, like if you want to do branding ads or product videos, you can do that before writing prompts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. So create a studio video, 30-second video for fresh brew coffee. It's a little late, so I'm not going to be drinking it, but we got a neighborhood for iced coffee, and it's made locally. We're going to pop that in, and boom, we have something absolutely amazing. So now we can customize it. So we have a short description of a real business, and we have a detailed script. The more detailed, the better. That's the only thing you have to do is make sure you're detailed, just like you would be with a normal LLM. Now we actually have the generation process, and we can go ahead, click on the image, confirm. On here, we can see how it looks. Now, there's going to be some waiting time if it gets longer, if you need to edit, speed up, do some things, but stays concise. So, does it need a reference video? We're going to say no here, and then we're going to choose what we want for it. So you can choose the aspect ratio, the duration, the resolution. You can choose everything, just like you would for a normal video that you would shoot. Here, you just pick what you want. I'm going to pick my resolution. We're going to pick my duration. Going to pick everything that I need here. And then just going to say running on canvas. I have the right in context. So that is looking good to me. So it just takes a second. Then we have the storyboard tab. So we can actually see what's going on throughout the whole video. So it's not just, okay, generate the video, then try and edit it later because I didn't like something. You can see everything that's going on. Now, I want to add me a character. So we're going to go ahead and generate a character. We're going to set up the scene and the environment. So adding a character too. What's the character going to do? Friendly young cafe owner in this case. And we're going to generate different lighting camera angles as well, side by side, so viewers can see how controllable Buzzy is. And this is really cool. And why I like this is you get the same presenter, the same setting, the same visuals, all that type of stuff. You can stay recognizable. So every ad is going to look good, and it's going to have your branding, and it's going to be consistent. So here we can see the character. They are looking good. So I'm going to go ahead, click on one. I think I'm liking this. So we got the character. That's looking good to me. Boom, boom. And also click on the first clip frame right here. Fresh brew, freshly roasted. I love me some coffee as well. So we can go pick whichever one we want. So I'm going to take a look at the frames. I'm going to look at the grid, see which one looks good. And if I want, then I can just go ahead, pick one of these. I got my whole script, and we have the storyboard here. So we can run different types. We can run batch video generation. We can pick what we want as well. If we want a title, if we want a high, you can pick the specific settings, how it's going to look from the different angles. Show me a video editor that will give you this type of customization from every single point of view, from every single second. So those are all the different ways that we can customize it. And that's why I like it, because you get the same presenter, you get the same settings, you get the same visual style, you get the same angles, you get everything that you need all in one place, and is very, very succinct. It's all together. And now we have the lighting effects. So I'm going to make sure that we have the same lighting effects across all videos. So we can see right here, we want to do it top, right, bottom, whatever we want to do it back. We can go ahead and do that. So that's looking pretty good. I'm going to just go ahead and generate that. So here we can see the generation process. It is kicking on, and boom, boom. I have the image here. She's looking happy. At least I hope so, because she's going to be in an awesome video. And now we can go ahead, see what this is going to look like. It's loading here. So I'm going to try that again. Okay, looks good. I think it looks good. If you really enjoys that iced coffee, I'm going to say, is it a mocha latte or is it something different? So we have everything ready. We have everything set up. Now we can go ahead and start to generate this. We can play on the storyboard, see what it looks like. If we need to do anything like turning the images into something else, we can. So here you can see we can turn the image into a video. We can do what we would call batch generation. So you can run batch video in sync. You can pick which one you like we're going to use Seedance 2.5 as a model, but you can use other models as well, Gemini, Kling, whichever one you like. And then you can experience Buzzy through, doing this specific thing. So try that out. There's our presenter. Yeah, looks awesome. So now we can run that match video generation. We can keep doing that. And that's what I really like. You can choose different models and experience Buzzy any way you want. So pick the models that you like, pick the models that are good for you. Look how awesome that looks. A little Mean Girls theme here. I love it. And also, what's really cool is you can get some canvas covers for product videos, UGC, posters, images, workspace. So pick what you like. But guys, I'm just going to break it down to you. You saw all the capabilities of this. And if you're not wowed, then I don't know what to tell you. Because if your business needs video, but not a production budget, open the Buzzy link in the description. Put your first campaign together, and you can do it starting right this week. And that is it for the video. Let's make some awesome videos with Buzzy, guys. So I hope you like it. If you did, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Hit that like button, and I will catch you in the next video.